Once you've added device positions to your locations in Daizy, you're ready to create and schedule installation tasks for your team to install the devices. On the Project Composer page, you can view the positions that have been created along with the status of each position. The amber circle next to this device position indicates that there is no device currently installed and that an installation task has yet to be scheduled. A green circle means that there has been an installation task created at that position, but a device has yet to be installed. A solid green circle next to the device means that a device has been installed at that position and is active. If the circle is red, that indicates a fault with the device. To create installation tasks, select the desired project and click Create Tasks. To create tasks for all open positions, click Assign and Schedule. Or, to create tasks for a subset of positions, deselect the Select All box and choose the desired positions before clicking Assign and Schedule. Next, specify a due date for the tasks. And then assign the tasks to an installer by selecting a name from the list. You can view the tasks you have created by clicking the Tasks menu. Tasks are also visible in the Daizy mobile app, which simplifies and streamlines the device installation and activation process.